Rainbow is a beautiful optical phenomenon caused by the refraction, dispersion, and reflection of light in water droplets in the atmosphere. Here's a breakdown of the science behind a rainbow. When sunlight enters a water droplet, it slows down and bends, refracts, because the speed of light is different in water compared to air. This bending causes the light to change direction slightly as it enters the droplet. Sunlight, which appears white, is actually composed of different colors, each having a unique wavelength. When light refracts inside the water droplet, these different colors or wavelengths spread out or disperse. Shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, bend more than longer wavelengths like red and orange. This separation of colors leads to the spectrum of colors visible in a rainbow. Once inside the droplet, light reflects off the inner surface of the droplet. This reflection is what allows the light to exit the droplet and return to the viewer. As the light exits the droplet, it refracts again, bending as it moves from water back into the air. This second refraction further separates the colors and makes the rainbow more visible. The dispersion of light results in the familiar sequence of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Roigbiv. Red appears on the outer part of the rainbow because it bends the least, and violet appears on the inner part because it bends the most. A rainbow is a circle of light, centered on the anti-solar point, the point directly opposite the sun from the viewer. However, from the ground, we usually only see a semicircle or arc because the horizon blocks the lower part. To observe a rainbow, the sun needs to be behind the observer, and the rain droplets must be in front, with the sunlight hitting them at a specific angle. Sometimes light reflects twice inside the droplet, producing a second, fainter rainbow above the primary one. In this secondary rainbow, the color order is reversed. The beauty of rainbows comes from this interplay of light and water droplets, showcasing how natural phenomena can be explained through basic physics principles.